Good day, my future employer. I am Remalyn Licayo from the Philippines. I am 35 years old, happily married, having three children, all boys, ages 18, 13, and 8 years old. I finished my college, completed my degree Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao, Philippines. I worked for 2 years in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, and as part of my job is to do the household chores such as cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, car washing, and gardening. And as part of my responsibility as a nanny, I take care of three children, ages 10-year-old girl, 12-year-old boy, and a 1 year and 6 months baby boy. I bath them every day. I prepare the food. I prepare the clothes, especially their school uniforms. I drop and pick them up in school, and I also bring them in the park to do such as sports activities for them to develop their social well-being. I also do tutorial. I help them in their homework, lessons, as well as their English subjects. I am kind, trustworthy, patient, and I am a God-fearing individual. I'm willing to learn and to follow the employer's house rule. If you do hire me, I will take care of your children and serve your family at my utmost best. I will help your children to become loving and responsible one. I will nourish them with love and protection. So, I hope to see you soon, ma'am, sir.